Alright, I'm going to show you how to do a Telemecanique e-stop button installation. They're really well built button. They're German made. They're simple how they go together. I'll show you outside of the box and then we'll do it inside the box. Basically, they have these notches on them, so when you slide them together, you locate the notches and then you turn it. And when you turn it, it locks in. Now, every now and then somebody will put it in and not turn it all the way, and then if they tighten it up, it doesn't hold and then comes out, but it's really simple. You put it in the box, turn it, and then these two screws right here and here, they get tightened up enough that the button gets pulled down flush to the surface, and then it's secure. When I install them, I prefer just taking the one screw loose. If you have wiring on your harness, you can just take it loose and hang it out of the way. It makes it a lot easier to get to these two screws. So as you look, I'm going to simulate installing it in this box. So I put this in, I insert this, and I turn it. So now it's located, and I like to have it level inside. And then I use a stubby screwdriver, and I just start snugging the screws down, and you want to kind of tighten equally on each side. That way it's not sitting at some goofy angle, and the pressure on each side of the button is equal. But it's quite simple to install and service. That's why I like these, because they're a really well made button. And it doesn't take a huge amount of force. You'll feel it when it snugs up, and so that's tight. Now if you look at the outside here, you'll see there's no gap underneath the button where it touches that, and it's really secure, so when you go to release it, you can twist on it. If it's not been secured enough, you twist on it and then the button can come loose. So once you've got it in like that, then you can take your terminal block and set it back on and just tighten that little screw up. And again, don't go crazy and over tighten the screw, and because you can break that little terminal block. I mean, they're not expensive, but you don't need to muscle it on that much. It's got two little locator tabs on it here and here. So when it gets tight, it doesn't move around. It's quite secure. So that's all there is to that.